The St. Charles County Prosecuting Attorney's Office is in a cooperative relationship with the Family Support Division. It's a subsection of Social Services. We receive all our referrals from the Family Support Division. At that level, they are trying to administratively enforce child support obligations through license suspension or income withholding orders, but they get to a point where they can't do any more, so they send it to our office, and we can only take cases referred from them by statute. In the child support unit, we do two different types of cases. One is enforcement and one type is paternity establishment. When a case comes to our office, we send a questionnaire to the custodial parent. It's most often mom, but sometimes it is dad as well. When the custodial parent returns the enforcement questionnaire, we take those answers. Based on those answers, we decide what kind of case we're going to file for enforcement. It could be civil or criminal. Civil enforcement would be a motion for contempt, and most often that's done when the case is an arrears-only case, as the children are emancipated or for some reason there's no more current support due. Criminal case, we often do misdemeanors as opposed to felonies, which can be confusing to people. They think felony is the ultimate kind of enforcement case, but actually with a misdemeanor, when it comes to the punishment phase of things, they could do more time in jail. Our first priority is always to collect money for our residents of St. Charles County. But there does come a point where money is not being collected and punishment is the last resort. This office collects quite a bit of money for St. Charles County residents. In 2012 alone, we collected over $2 million just from the cases that were referred here to our office. And at a given time, we have anywhere from 950 to about 1,000 cases pending. About 100, a little over 100 are paternity establishment cases, and the rest are enforcement cases. When a case comes over here for paternity establishment, most often both parties, both mom and dad, are made parties to the cases as in they're a respondent. That way it's very clear that the state of Missouri is their own separate party. We pursue an order for child support, often medical support, and state debt. Often that comes from monies that have been paid to a parent who the non-custodial parent is not helping to care for that child and they need that assistance. So we try and get an order for state debt to reimburse the state of Missouri for monies that the taxpayers have paid for that child.